Once again, take your seat and gently close your eyes and resolve to set aside the weight of the war in Ukraine in these first moments. Give yourself permission to find solace and peace within. The minutes you spend here are precious. Don't let them slip away, consumed by the thoughts of conflict or worrying about what the future holds. Give yourself this time, a few minutes, to be undistracted. Allow this practice to offer you a respite from the burdens of the world. A space where you can find inner calm and restoration. And as you feel the energy of your body, you might take a few deep breaths. Now bring to mind the impact of the ongoing war in Ukraine. Acknowledge the way it affects you, the emotions it stirs within. Bring that awareness to your mind however you can. Try to visualize it. How does it feel? Simply feel the emotion associated with these thoughts and experiences. Observe how it seems to influence your state of mind. Acknowledge these feelings without judgment or expectation. Again, bring to mind the weight of the war in Ukraine. Notice how this external situation affects you. Where does this feeling of heaviness come from within you? Feel it as a flow of energy in your body. Where is the feeling of concern, or sadness, or helplessness, or worry? The moment you can realize a feeling like that, dive into it with your attention. Feel it as closely as possible, as a flow of energy. This type of focused attention diminishes its hold. These thoughts are simply appearances in your consciousness. How could this arising feeling define your entire being? You are merely observing it, and it passes away on its own accord. Once again, feel your body as a state of energy. Sensations come and go. Notice any mood that might be present, and just let go of everything else. Simply direct your attention to whatever appears in your awareness. Allow yourself to be present without judgment or attachment. In the final moments of our session, turn your attention inward. Notice this deep feeling, this weight upon your heart, as the war in Ukraine continues to impact you. Take a moment to locate this place of attention, the space from which you observe the world. Okay, I hope you found that reflective practice beneficial. During times of immense challenges, the practice of mindfulness can provide solace. It enables you to break free from the grip of the story you're telling yourself, and instead, direct your attention to your moods, emotions, and thoughts themselves. Remember, the half-life of any negative mental state is remarkably short. This insight into the nature of consciousness can offer incredible liberation. May the rest of your day be filled with strength and resilience. And I'll be here to support you in our next session with Meditator-AI.